Good morning, guys. It's Paul Clement again, your instructor. Uh, Today, we'll be talking about keyword and expressions. We've been making use of these two concepts a lot in this course, but I would like to throw a little bit more light on this section of this course. I'll break it down, not like the other series in which I felt I should not waste too much time on those series. But as from this series upward, is going to be bit by bit, due to we are getting into more intense stuff. But well, I don't know. Were you able to figure out the previous question? Maybe I should start from there, or I should just let me just continue because I believe you must have figured it out. If you did not, well, let me solve it. It won't make any sense if I don't. Let me create some space. So let's say create a variable to hold 5, and you know that anything that needs to hold 5 is int. So we just say int 5. Uh, int, let me say int a equals to 5, and then another to hold 11.40, so that is going to be a double. So double b equals to what? 11.5, 11.48. Sorry. 11.48, and then the third one, then another to hold 16, that is an int. uh Sorry, I just have to comment all of this out. Oh, let me use something else. bb. Why that error came up is as I already used the variable b up there, so let me use bb over here. So, and then the next is to hold 16, another to hold true or false. So any true or false is a boolean. And then we say multiply 5 with 11, so this is going to be a times b. I'm going to make this equals to something. So it multiply a with 11. Oh, that's going to be bb, sorry. And then I'm going to make this, let me say, multa equals to this is going to be a boolean because Am I having an error? Oh, sorry. And then the letter said after divide, answer by 6. So I will say Malta. Let me say result. And I just make this a div. And then that should output the final, so I just say double no need, let me just output. So let's run this. Then I'll use this code block to explain the keyword and so say total is 47.9126666666. Okay, now that is the answer for the previous assignment or classwork. Were you able to sort that out? If you were, congratulations. And okay, we were talking about keywords and expression languages. Now, keywords like the int, Java has 50 reserved keywords. We have the integer, we have the boolean. Just like I can say int is going to give me an error, not a statement. So you have to be int and then something else that is not a reserved keyword. I can use boolean, I can use true, I can use false, I can use double, I can use what's like private. But before the end of this course we will cover all the 50 of the reserved keywords. We can use public because these are Java reserved keyword, and all Java reserved keyword are all in blue. You can use void, you can use main. Okay, main is a class. We can use true. Have I mentioned true? I believe you should know false too. True or false. You can use there are a lot of them, so you really don't need to memorize all of these. You just, before the end of this course, you would come to know all of them. So the expression, now if you look at this code, now from here to here is an expression. From here to here, apart from the data type, is an expression. Now on this statement, system.out.print, from here to here is an expression. So from here also to this point is an expression. Now let me make a little bit of let me say if what will I say, let me say if Dave is let's say greater than 100, the answer is 47. Okay, let's say 50, let's say greater than or equals to 50, or equals to 50. Let's make him system out something. Let's say system.out. I just made use of a shortcut SOT to system out. Then let's system out this guy. Let's move him from here. And then we are going to let's system out this guy, and then we are going to also system out the T guy. And then we'll now say else 2 is, we'll now say system out let's say Dave is less than 50. So, and then I'll now put and then I'll now say okay, let me put this in the code block, and I'll say T equals to false. Plus T. Let's save this. So I just added is an expression. This is an expression. As I earlier told you, this is an expression. This guy here is an expression. This guy here is an expression. And then this guy here is an expression. So I just want you to know this. Just had to use this because on the next course we'll be diving deep into it. Well, let's run this before we go. I believe you should be able to, as you can see, Dave is less than 50. Answer equals to false because I set T to be equals to false. So it's equals to false. So this code did not run because the condition is not correct. Okay, what if we try to make the condition correct, and let's see what is going to happen. Let's increase this to, let's say 15. My time, let's increase that to 15, and let's run and see what we'll have. 15 to let's try 20. Okay, I'm dividing by 6. Let me try 20. Should do this job. Run. false. Oh, it's quite tedious. Let me try 20 here too. Oh, sorry, let me check. Let me check what this guy amounts to. Oh, sorry. I was using a wrong variable. I should have commented that out earlier on. So this should work now. Wow. So total equals to 70 deploying this. So you see, it's true because because the condition has been made, this did not run. So thank you for your time.